Hi folks, and welcome to a new tutorial. Today we're going to crochet the Wattle stitch. So that's our organic cotton yarn, ribbon yarn, that's lines, color Avio. This is my favorite hook brand, Clover, and I'm using the size G 4mm. So this stitch is great for blankets or dishcloths or baskets, whatever. It's just really nice to get a nice fabric, but not really lacy. So first we're going to need a simple slip knot. For this, create a circle and put the long string under the circle and pull it through. And you got a loop, insert your hook through the loop and tighten, but not too tight. Okay. Now we are going to chain stitches. We need a multiple of 3 plus 2 stitches. So yarn over for the chain stitch and pull through. Number 1, yarn over. Number 2, yarn over and pull through. Number 3. So that's your multiple of 3, and we're going to repeat this 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then just add 2 additional stitches. So that's the multiple of 3 plus 2, and we're gonna need them for the border stitch. So let's crochet the pattern. We're going to stitch through the second second stitch from hook, then yarn over, pull up. You've got 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through 2. So that's your single crochet. Then chain 1, and through the same stitch you're going to crochet a double crochet. For this, yarn over, insert your hook through the loop, pull up a loop, pull through 2 and pull through 2. That's your double crochet. Now skip the next 2 stitches, 1, 2, skip them, and here crochet a single crochet, chain 1 and a double crochet through the same stitch, and then again skip 2 stitches, and through the 3rd stitch a single crochet, insert your hook, pull up a loop and through 2, then chain 1 and a double crochet through the same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, through 2 and through 2. We're going to repeat this across the row, so skip 2 and single crochet, chain 1 and a double crochet, and skip 2, single crochet, chain 1 and a double crochet. And here at the end you've got 3 stitches left, so skip 2, crochet a single crochet, chain 1 and a double crochet through the last stitch, and then turn your work, chain 1, and now we're going to use the chain spaces that we created, and we're going to crochet through the chain space a single crochet, chain 1 and a double crochet, and then just go straight to the next chain space, single crochet, chain 1 and a double crochet, single crochet, chain 1 and a double crochet, and so on across the row. So here's the last chain space in this row, and we're going to crochet a single crochet, chain 1 and a double crochet through the same chain space, then chain 1 and turn your work for the next row. And here we're going to repeat what we've done before. So through the next chain space we're going to crochet a single crochet, chain 1 and a double crochet, and repeat this: single crochet, chain 1, double crochet, and so on. So we're going to repeat this block all the time through the chain spaces, and you're going to continue this until your work is long enough and big enough. Yeah, and that's it. That's the magic. I hope this tutorial was helpful. So leave me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to be notified about new tutorials. Thanks for watching, guys, and until next time, bye bye.